Hey there, how are you doing? This is Kali from Tech Fanciers. I'm happy to start this new series of Redmi Note 11 development journey where we will be starting from unboxing and all the way to installing custom ROM. I was preparing for this for last month and will upload content one by one in upcoming days. If you are a Redmi Note 11 user, it is worth subscribing to this channel as you will be getting lots of update on this device. If you are coming later point of the time, you can just go to the playlist section and watch the videos of in Redmi Note 11 a development journey playlist. In this quick video, we will see the unboxing of the device and the case that I bought. So I bought this Redmi Note 11 on Amazon for 12,500 with an ICICI credit card offer. It is 4GB and 64GB internal black color. Quickly we unbox this. It doesn't have any outer cover, just a straight box. I already have opened it and put it back, so side seals are already open. On top we have this box where we get the SIM ejector, manual and silicone case. Case quality isn't bad, it is usable. And then the simple manual. Below to the phone we have a charger and Type-C cable. Both are in white. The charger is 33 watts adapter, so that's a good thing. Let's keep these things aside and concentrate on the phone. It doesn't have any cover, which we mostly see in unboxing videos. I was suspicious, so I recorded the unboxing when it arrived. So I recommend you too to record a video when unboxing so you can share it with Amazon support when you want to replace it in case of damaged product or already unsealed. I like this black with the rough matte finish. It is plastic. The weight is fair and completely comfortable in hand. The edges are a bit straight. I like that. Let me turn on the device. In the top center we have a punch hole camera. As you see, I already have unlocked the device. When it boots, we check out the case. This is the bumper case that I bought on Amazon. I ordered it along with the phone. I bought it for 239 rupees, which is fine in my opinion. You can find similar cases in offline market. I already applied the temper glass, which I bought and installed in the offline market. Cost like 150 rupees. One thing about this case is that this is particularly transparent on the back side. Also, it doesn't peel the tempered glass in the corners. It has bumps on the edges and elevations on all the side that protects the camera lens in the back. Looks fine to me. Take this video as an announcement about the upcoming series and the product that I bought. So that's what about this video. I will upload a quick review of the phone soon. If you have any queries and concerns, feel free to follow and DM me at my Tech Fanciers Instagram page. Thank you for watching. Koto.